checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
Okay, we're gonna do a proper Changsha video. 1874 to 1916. There we go. Got the birthday, and so we are going to attempt to show you down this whole street. Let me just kind of zero in on that a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to try to capture all the scenes, including all this kind of stuff like that. That's the main road all the way down that way. See some things up on the buildings as well. And we are going to be going around and down that way. So stay tuned. Changsha, China, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to be showing you as if you were there yourself. And I have, I think I have about 10 Changsha videos. So this is just one of 10. And you can always look at the thumbnails on the back to see some more. And I'll be uploading more, maybe about every 5 or 6 days. I'll put up a new one. So anyways, this is a little slice of a really cool space in the downtown area, and we're gonna, you'll see it, you saw a little bit in the preview, but it's a little bit of alleys and a little bit of the main walking street. All right, as if you were there yourself. Changsha, China. Okay, so we'll say bye to the big statue there. Let's go down. So I was here, this is my third Changsha film. I filmed 2 at nighttime, and now we're here in the daytime, so I can, it's still very busy, even on a Monday at it's about 11 in the morning. I did not expect it to be so busy like this. One of the things you're gonna notice over here is, I saw these in other cities too, and everybody stares at my camera. Everybody stares at me. That guy was did a little wrap around to look behind me in the camera as well. I can just capture people looking at me over this city. So this little thing I saw in Wuhan and in Chengdu as well. And they'll come out and they'll perform right in that space. So it looks like they're gonna come out right now. Here she comes, and then they'll put some music out as well. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going. I have a feeling I'll probably end up filming here again. The ones with the microphones, what you hear all the noise for is they're trying to attract business, so they'll get on the microphone so you can hear. This one has a microphone in front of that, and then this one has one too. And sometimes you hear clappers as well, so the idea is that that brings in people that are attracted to the noise, and that makes them good consumers willing to buy anything you want. And it looks like it's working because we can see one over here. This guy looks like a performer. Got all kinds of stuff here. Okay, let's just keep on. So I was here yesterday down the street, but it was kind of late. I was trying to capture all the evening feeling of the city. And now I can capture more of the details and the nuances. So those Noisemakers right there, those are the ones that they'll bring in attention. Apparently it's the idea. I guess that one actually has a microphone over there too, doesn't it? And they have a lot of people over here. Actually this one is actually quiet. They're bringing coffee, I guess, or water or something. Yeah, and then actually if you go into these, there's shopping areas inside, little shopping malls. Yesterday I was exploring quite a bit, and I saw that at nighttime. One of these buildings is quite famous. Let's walk in. gonna walk over that way and Changsha Food Plaza. This could be it. There's one I see all the YouTubers they go to, and I think I saw another one that was kind of similar. I don't think this is it, but we're gonna walk in. Actually, Changsha or Chongqing has something like this too. So it's a food court. Let's just walk in briefly. Smells good, actually. Hello. They have lots of noise peppers like that, so that noise pepper brings in the attention. Oh, and actually, I do want to see this little Miles Davis thing. I saw that last night. I want to walk over that way as well. So we're getting a little bit off of our. But yeah, I was wanting. It's okay. Actually, I saw these last night too. I think those were popular at night time to eat. Kind of want to try that actually. I don't know if today is still a holiday or something. Because it's Monday and it just seems like there's so many people around. Okay, let's check out this Miles Davis thing. So I was going to film the main street. It looks like I completely got into a sidetrack here. Now I'm showing Miles Davis, kind of a jazz club, I guess. Let me just kind of walk over here a little bit. A polite and harmonious environment. Be polite to tourists. Don't be drunk. Cherish facilities. Respect others' rights. Okay, so anyways, we're in this Yiying Street. Thought I'd capture that real cool. Changsha Food Plaza. Hello. So it looks like we're gonna follow. I guess that's why all these crowds of people are everywhere, because there's something down here worth going to. So we'll follow the opposite direction of the tourists. I see suitcases and everything in here. Let's see. So we'll follow it down and then kind of see where it leads. It looks like it goes to Yuling. We'll see what exactly that is. And I might do a separate video when I get there. Okay. So yeah, I think it goes into these little alleys here. Some of the food smells really good. Yeah, these alleys are. So I think this is what we're looking for. So I think I'm going to go for about 10 minutes, I think. Then I'll identify Yuling, and then we will try to other places over here too. Oh, nice little places. Okay. So I think we're entering into this little neighborhood of. There's a lot of interesting stuff everywhere. Okay, let me go down a little bit and just kind of see what this is. Oh yeah, it looks kind of cool. Okay, so let me just take a look. Oh, we already walked through Yuying Street. There's some of the main stuff there. Changsha Theater. Changsha. That girl was just kind of staring at me. I actually can feel a lot of stairs here. Not many foreigners go here, so they and that girl is staring too. But since there's so few foreigners, they really take in a foreigner with their eyes. Not everybody, but anyways, kind of cool. These back streets are really cool. Lip smacking. So Connor's coming, so let's see. Covered in the asshole guy. I always kind of feel that way. Some of these guys, I mean, they don't want people. They need to get through. They probably have a business here or something like that. So, but I always can kind of get irritated because, you know, if you get like tons of tourists and streets, kind of a walking street. Huh. I wonder what's in there. Looks like kind of residential. Yeah, the one thing about filming in this city is that a lot of people are always looking at you constantly. Anyways, I'm in a little bit of a negative mindset today. I think if I wasn't, I'd probably be like just in marvel, because this is a really cool city. I mean, these little back alleys like this are really nice. I feel like there's a lot to see in this city, especially these little roads like this. Like, they're right off the main street. The main street is really busy, and then you get into these areas. But one of the things that I feel about this city is it's built well, so it has a lot of this energy of the density, but then it also to listen to those horns all the time. I'm gonna try not to get into negative, because the city does have a lot of cool stuff. Let me see, I guess I'll just keep on walking. Yeah, I like how the design around the buildings too. Lots of residential down in the corners. Cafe and bar. A lot of bars here too. A lot of nightlife. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to an end. Some kind of cool little stuff like that. It's another one too. Same exact image. So I just copy this one. Okay. Somebody's spitting. I'm gonna try not to be negative today. Usually I'm not, but okay. So we're somewhere in this area. Kind of want to go over there. Anyways, let's end it there.
China got it, baby. Cha cha Changsha.